Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you what I learned about chatgpt that I wasn't aware of before. I used it today to help me produce content faster. I am revitalizing, upgrading old web pages because I want to save them and use them on one of my websites before I move forward and start banging out posts and more pages. The topic of the web page, plant-based crackers. So I wrote the question, why do some people feel eating plant-based food is healthy? And this is the result. The answer it produced. So I did some reading, I did some research. I didn't copy it word to word. I got motivated. Then I asked, what foods are considered plant-based? And they gave me this great list, and I really liked it. I was like, oh, this is cool. I like this. This will be good content to add to the bottom, the second half of this page. This page is short, but in the future I can always add to it. So I went, wow, regenerate. I never noticed that before. It takes, well, you know what? What foods are considered plant-based? So I clicked regenerate, and it produced a secondary answer. Then I hit it again. It produced a third answer and a fourth answer. I'm like, wow, that's incredible. So I took all of what it fed me and I put together my own list and gave it my own flair. This content I did use artificial intelligence for, but these are my own words. I did research, I got into it. I did some research here. I also used Bing's chatbot, Microsoft, and I used Grammarly, free Grammarly, and I put my own words together. It helps me produce content faster, and I become a better writer because of it. So I wasn't aware of the regenerate. Talk about speeding up the process of producing quality work, because I'm on page 2 now, and right over here, plant-based crackers. The next one is salt-free seasonings, and so far I'm keeping all the rest, but I'm bringing them back to life. I'm upgrading them. I'm adding more content. I decided to keep those web pages before I move forward. It speaks about food and everyday products. This was very useful, helpful. I wanted to share it. I wasn't aware of it. And using artificial intelligence can help you speed the process up of you creating your own work, your own words, your own content. And it helps you think outside of your box. And that's a good thing. So if you appreciated the video, please give a like. Don't forget to subscribe. And until the next video, have a good one, everybody. Bye for now.